Tower, Trade 211 Tango is ready on 36.
Calling Georgetown Tower, ready for runway 36. Hold short of the runway, landing traffic, Learjet 1 mile final. And who is that, please?
Tower, Trade 211 Tango, holding short 36.
Archer 11 Tango, Reds, thanks. Learjet 5 Mike Alpha, where do you park? Learjet 5 Mike Alpha, turn right at the end, contact ground 119.412.
119.125 Mike Alpha. Had to look up the name of it, Longhorn.
Okay, he'll get you there.
Thanks.
November 8211 Tango, for now fly runway heading, runway 36, clear for takeoff, wind 050 at 10, gust 1.
Let's take off 36, runway heading, 11 Tango.
Gas, undercarriage, mixture power. Everything's good. 2,500, 800 to go.
November 312, Romeo Mike is ready and turn, sir.
November 312, Romeo Mike, Georgetown Tower, departing Chirico, be making a right turn eastbound in about half a mile. For now, fly runway heading, runway 36, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 36, November 312, Romeo Mike.
Got a little close.
November 6252 Echo, runway 36, clear to land, wind 060 at 13, gust 16.
Clear to land, runway 36, 52 Echo.
Archer 11 Tango, right turn on course approved.
Thank you, sir, 11 Tango.
Georgetown Tower 3037 Tango, 8 miles out with whiskey with like touch and go.
November 3037 Tango, Georgetown Tower, you prefer a downwind or right base entry to runway 36?
We'll take the downwind 3037 Tango.
November 3037 Tango, Roger, report midfield, right downwind, runway 36.
Report midfield 36, 3037 Tango.
And Georgetown Tower, 62 Alpha Whiskey, we're about 7 miles to the northwest at 3,000 feet. I'd like to transition from north to south en route to Zigzag.
Cessna 62 Alpha Whiskey, Roger, proceed as requested, Georgetown altimeter is 3000, report established on the approach.
Okay, we'll transition and we'll report when we're established on the approach for 6 Alpha Whiskey.
Cessna 312 Romeo Mike, turn right heading 100.
Right turn to 100, 312 Romeo Mike.
November 312 Romeo Mike, contact onset departure 127.22. Got it?
2722, y'all have a good one.
Catcher 37 Tango, traffic 1 to 2 o'clock, 2 miles opposite direction. Cherokee climbing out of 2,600. Appeals you pass off your right. Additional traffic's 1 mile northeast of the airport, eastbound, climbing out of 1,500 Cessna.
Looking for the traffic, we have the traffic that is off at our 1 o'clock, and we're looking for the Cessna. 37 Tango.
November 37 Tango, turn left and maintain VFR heading 210. I'm not going to be able to let you into the downwind. The Cessna is going to conflict with you here in about a mile.
Roger 210, and I'll pull in around the base for you. 37 Tango.
November 52 Echo, where do you park?
I'm going to run to Genesis real quick.
November 52 Echo, roger, turn left on Juliet, taxi to Genesis, monitor ground 119.12.
Left on Juliet, monitor ground, 52 Echo.